I love to see people around me happy. I believe in myself a lot. There is nothing I've ever said to myself that I want to do that I have not done in this life. Except say I don't put my mind say I want to do. I must choke. We don't talk too much. When the time comes, you will see. Am I supposed to take you to whatever I'm doing or wherever I'm doing something that I did do? I'm not even mad. I'm not giving it your hand away to whatever. Oh. Tomorrow on my bed, I don't want verse. Tomorrow I know they make me the verse. I know they see me and not talk. My name is Ebony Obasi, aka Ezeka one. I don't give you that Ezeka one. They mad. I beg my people. Only today. I know how much I don't get. More than listen my advice to now. My country people will not get sense. Some of you will not get sense. This life one day, so do your thing. Not go down of starvation because say you won't achieve what your friends they achieve. No conton aka gum. I dey beat chest. I don't move with people for this. I don't want to start to mention name. Now only one person, only one girl. Now they do what they do for this life, for this being why they so only one girl. Now they do one. When they pack people, they pay people bills, they support people. Only one person. Nobody they try out. You they mad, you won't run. When a week, sometimes I'll blow 300K for 1 week. You they mad. I be your mate. Are you stupid? I bless people. I support, and I'm proud of it. Some of them are watching me. Nobody will ever write me say, hey, Bonnie, I need your help. Man, I don't send her money. If I show you it, transfer. My friend is a living witness. Now she had a send on my receipt, so she knows. She's here watching me. Or she'll watch it. She know. You did Chris. You mad. Hey, Bonnie, you did well. Now you want to tell me I want to live my life. When that time come, everywhere go see you. So relax. Okay? Yeah, people. If you don't reach a bone, you now want that. Now let me be artist with okay. Well, only two of us name now they reign for this industry where Shami and my beautiful sweet sister. It's a sign that we are the biggest in this industry. It's a sign. Because only two of us that they talk about. Type our name for YouTube. Our go come out. Type of that phone, you don't see anything. Now we be toppest star for this Bini. Ma Rain. Ma Buduwemi. Ma Luigo. Igo Ovima. Ima Ovigo. Igo Ovima. Get we go fit Chester 700K say buy here. Once. Iwano. Wameme. I don't get time, oh. Nobody at the talk your book where. Nobody go say no pass through me when no benefit one thing. Financially. Everything may go my cool. I don't care. I dey bless people anyhow. I dey support them. Person don't go ask me for help December. I dey prepare for my show. I dey prepare for my show. He asked me for 200,000. She asked for 200. I gave her 100,000 cash. And she dey come from my house. No be one, no be two, no be three, no be four, no be five, no be six. No they mad. Who am I there? If you see, I make they know. I bet I supposed to blow my trumpet for social media. Are you stupid? How many years are you? What's your business with my age, man? Are you mad? Are you bumming? Even if I be 100 years, it concern you. I use your money. People are talking money, you're talking nonsense on social media. They don't get a life. I don't watch you, I don't like on social media. If I don't like you, I don't watch you. If I don't like you, I don't see your posts. If I don't like you, I don't fucking care what you're doing. Then they say, if I don't do job this time, I know they listen to comments. Hey, comment to women. Who are here? Not the craze. Francis, what can I know they know? I don't know what we call they cast ourselves on social media. Man, I don't want to mention names. I they bless people in my own little way. Go say, nah, achievement. If I want to do what people they do, I don't do it since I get taste. If not that one, I won't talk. If I want to do what people they do, I get taste. And if the time comes, I will see them. I be a car. Here I go. Nonsense. That's the way go your feet day your day. What to blow it. Una dey mad. Come on, boy you are. No, no get sense. Some of you don't need to be talked to. Some of you don't get sense. Even if you have fake account, I don't say later they'll come watch and so as they now they do it for my fans. What do you now? Now my those haters will not get sense. In here we live video now. Show me your bank account. No, see how much they. Now they mad. Because I want to do what I know, eat, I not bless people, I not help people. Because I want what I want, who I want. You dey crazy? If I don't marry, I go there. Wow, what do woman they achieve when never achieve? What did they achieve? Say I never marry, I never born. So what? So what? Na chief test title. Your pikin won't come feed me. If you like, you born your pikin there 20 years. I can't born my pikin there 1 year. Never see a man of 50 years when they do get man for a boy of 20 years. You dey crazy. Don't get it twisted, guys. Don't get it twisted. Anytime you born your pikin, born my love, send me your account detail. You hear my love? Anytime you born your pikin, born her. Anything you achieve, you do one. No can be gbesi wone. No can when anything gbesi wone ya. And when I say you see do your own. Back that up for me. No worry in life, my people. I am living well. I'm living well. As in, yeah. Money what they spray for party in a week. Some people go get some. I don't want to talk now. What let me talk. Don't say I don't get control. I don't get control. I don't get control. Sometimes I go dance 1 week. I go blow nothing less than 200,000. They support people. When I feel stupidity, not be stupidity. Oh, now waiting God say my call life can't do. And that thing where they on a match. I don't. That thing where they feel say don't they now since. But we get it. We know what we want. So we not shut up. The Chris. I doing better. No achievement kill them. I not use 100 years. They achieve what I achieve. The day when I die and I run and I scatter and I do everything. You bug good to you. You go stupid. Am I your mate? You go choke. I get vision. I get dream. Money when I tell do film. Nagi wife 2019 was 3.5 million. Now I blow for Nagi. I paid your ledo a millionaire. When I tell do that film, 3.4 million. I paid hotel for all my casts. I do confuse man. I know how much I spent. Over 3 million as well. You dey crazy? You are very stupid. For coming to my live video to say that nonsense. Am I supposed to celebrate my birthday? If I don't celebrate my birthday, what I want to celebrate? Now the matter will say you say I not be their mates. I not be their mate for anything. I see they talk only one person. I the chest with here, the chest. Only one person. I show you back account. I bet brag with them. I move back more show account balance. I know they brag. They play the show. So I don't feel go hungry because say my mates they do waiting that they do. Your life will be my life. My life will be your life. I dey live my life the way I want. And I don't care what people say. You see me, Ebony Obasi, I don't fucking go to post pages to see what they post. Oh. I don't. Especially if I don't like you. Hey. Fuck. I don't care what you're doing, bro. I'm sorry. I don't care. I don't care what you do. What's your business with my birthday? My love is tomorrow, Jare. Tomorrow is my birthday. And my brother came to spoil me with some money. Now I want twat, one riffraff, one stupid fake account. When people were send, they don't even feel boast of 50,000 for their accounts. Come they talk to me on my live video. Are you mad? Are you crazy? You don't know your mates? Man, if your body are small, then they're mad. When I cut them more, I said they cut my video, but they put up for whatever they want to put. I don't care. And anything that comment for that side, everybody want to comment, and we block your ass and I'll lay a curse on you. Because my brother or my sister. You work here, now they mad. And they bless people. Okay? And I'm proud of it. They play the show. And they bless people. Which of I made to fit chest 100k, 200k dash person? They want to support and say anything they happen to them. And many of them feature and only one person. Only one person that they try for this thing. As we all take day. Only one person. They say una come and tell and say, I bone na come to work. But do everyone. Ezeka, one of the universe. I'm mad. You working. This bed, you know how much you want to collect for my only food and drink is close to 800K. The Chris, they bore you with. So my people, and tomorrow we are cooking tomorrow as well to entertain my people. And thanks to my godmother, she said she go sort them. I be not call my person say, come collect money, may go buy what you want to cook. I go on Ma Louis go. He go Louis ma. We dey use our brag and they use money. You know see you builders get 3 houses, get 100 cars. Oh yeah. Now they crazy. How many of them go fit carry pet daughters? Oh, I run no the school where no me set who rule una dey who kwa me me. You work. I build a godmother. He dey play the show. Rubbish people. You won't come my life because they say you've not achieved. Am I supposed to come and tell you what I've achieved so far? Are you a mad person? If you want us to brag, let's brag, bro. I have your body yakere. I have your body yakere. Why worry? Yeah. No, it's good to achieve. Oh, if for a woman, if I get 20 houses, that many office stay. Now my husband has to go stay. Even if I build 100 houses now, am I going to stay in my house? Am I going to stay there? Not my husband has to go there. Now my husband has to. I won't marry. I won't marry. My birthday last year, my 15th year anniversary last year, my godson sprayed me 500,000. Do you know why he sprayed me? Because while he was in school struggling, I was supporting him. Today is a big boy. I invest in human beings and I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of it. Are you for crazy? How much of it dash person? They mad. I be your mate. This hair where they my hair, so I buy her for her 200,000. Ask her. I bought on a page cash. Now the Chris. If hair they hungry me to buy, I'll buy another. This is my birthday. Sorry, darling, I bought 4 hairs. And you know how much each they cost. I begin to give out the one my fair gets. So I know they talk anyhow. That don't even know you. My friendship, you know everything now. Miss Rita White, you don't know that yet. Don't be right from time. Oh, mama get the mayor broke by people. Right from time, they see money, they hustle well. Now get the point now. Come my page, tell me say no achievement of young do it. I invest in human beings. They're mad. The very day I acquired my land, that was there I laid the foundation. I started my building. Take this message to who sent you. Go tell them saying I saw everybody talk. If you want to ask, I'll tell you where it is. Eh? The village, na Sapler Road, inside town. The Chris. I build that bit. It choke, Abi. It choke. All of us get taste. Every no can walk in me. You if you want build 1 room a panel. Me if you want build duplex. You if you want build duplex. If you want build 10 duplex inside one house. Everybody get it today. I've blessed people. I've touched lives. Am I supposed to come and tell you, people, I don't go buy land though. People, I don't go buy house. So don't go there. I will do what I want to do when the time comes. Rubbish. And the crazy. I can't say on I can't come my page. You gonna feel me when I go. So Mona look here, Mona look here. Mona look here. Come, let me tell you all of you, as my other so. Okay, so at this age, I don't get relationship, I don't get man for my life. Now they crazy. I don't get sense. How is that possible? Or if I can't get my husband, I can't say, see my husband, I can't showcase him. I know, showcase him. Why you doing? I don't showcase him. If I don't see marriage, I don't go no. Since I can't post my marriage for Facebook. Why am I? One of our marriage was a baby, because I feel even